We are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, 3rd row seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, moonroof, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.